Ever feel like dragging out a heavy vacuum just to clean up crumbs or pet hair is overkill? Well, you are not alone. Whether it is a small spill or a quick cleanup, the best cordless sweeping machines make the job faster, lighter, and far less stressful. Forget about plugs and outlets. These portable powerhouses are all about freedom and efficiency. Today, we are diving into the best cordless sweeping machines that are built to keep your home spotless with zero hassle. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. PINICO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Rounding off our list is the high-performance PINICO Cordless Vacuum, designed for users who want speed, precision, and deep cleaning all in one sleek package. With its 200-watt motor delivering up to 25 kilopascals of suction, it dives deep into carpets and cracks, pulling out dirt that lesser machines leave behind. What immediately stands out is its well-rounded versatility. Suitable for carpets, hardwood, marble, and even delicate surfaces like rugs, the PINICO is built to handle every cleaning scenario. The vacuum runs up to 40 minutes per charge and can clean up to 2,200 square feet before needing a recharge. Its 6-stage filtration system is top-notch, removing over 99% of airborne particles. This ensures your home stays cleaner and the air fresher, a big win for families with kids or allergy concerns. The LED floor brush brightens dim areas, so you will never miss a spot under furniture or along baseboards. Number 4. Snowkuna 550W Stick Vacuum. If endurance is what you are after, the Snowkuna Cordless Vacuum rises above the rest. Boasting 2 high-capacity batteries and an extraordinary runtime of up to 120 minutes in standard mode, this unit is built for larger spaces and busy homes that need frequent cleaning. What earns the Snowkuna a place on this list is its powerful suction, peaking at an impressive 45 kilopascals. It digs deep into carpets, clears stubborn pet hair, and eliminates debris across hardwood and tile floors with ease. The brushless motor reduces noise while boosting durability, making this device a quiet yet effective powerhouse. Its self-standing feature is more than just a convenience, it is a backsaver. You can pause mid-cleaning without laying it down or leaning it against walls. The LED-lit brush head reveals hidden dirt under beds and furniture. Number 3. Trukazy 8-in-1 Lightweight Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When you need more than a sweeper but still want cordless freedom, the Trukazy 8-in-1 Stick Vacuum makes a compelling case. This is not your average sweeper, it is a full-blown cleaning system disguised as a featherweight vacuum. Designed for a wide range of surfaces, including carpets, tile, hardwood, and even your car interior, this device can be your go-to for every room in the house. The standout feature here is its LED display, which keeps you informed of battery life and suction mode at a glance. Add to that the detangle V-shaped floor brush, and you have a machine that is as intuitive as it is effective. Long pet hair and small debris do not stand a chance against this kind of thoughtful engineering. With a runtime of up to 45 minutes and 3 distinct suction modes, the Trukazy lets you choose between energy-saving mode or full power depending on your cleaning needs. The 5-stage filtration system traps nearly all dust particles, which is a huge plus for allergy-sensitive households. Number 2. Black & Decker Lithium Floor Sweeper. Next on our list is the Black & Decker Lithium Floor Sweeper, a slick, modern option for those who prioritize convenience and portability. This sweeper might be compact, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to power and runtime. Its cordless design, supported by a strong lithium-ion battery, gives you up to 50 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, perfect for those last-minute tidy-ups before guests arrive. What makes this model stand out is its versatility. Whether you are dealing with hard floors, carpets, or tricky underfurniture areas, the Black Plus Decker handles it all. Its smooth swiveling head glides effortlessly around legs of chairs, corners, and low-clearance spaces. Number 1. Bissell Natural Sweep Carpet and Floor Sweeper. If simplicity, affordability, and eco-conscious design matter to you, then the Bissell Natural Sweep might just be your perfect match. Topping our list of the best cordless sweeping machines, this sweeper earns its position through a smart combination of effectiveness and ease of use. Built for quick cleanups across both carpets and hard floors, it eliminates the need to wrestle with cords or rely on batteries. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.